Hey, bestie. Have you ever looked at a $40 jar of body butter and thought, I wish I could make something that felt that good? Today, you're going to. In this episode, I'm showing you the secret to a high-end, non-greasy, emulsified body butter that looks and feels like pure luxury, all while staying on our $300 startup budget. Welcome back to Bestie Made It, the series where we're building a real skincare business from scratch with just $300. If you're new here, catch up on the series, but if you're ready to glow, you're in the right place. Forget those heavy, oily butters that just sit on your skin. We're making an emulsified body butter. Think of it as the perfect hybrid of a rich cream and a hydrating lotion. It's stable, beautiful, and absorbs like a dream. Let's get making safety and prep. First things first, let's be safe and professional. Your reputation starts with your first batch. Wipe down your entire workspace with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Sanitize every beaker, your mixing tools, and your containers. And don't forget your gear. Pop on some gloves and safety glasses. We're handling hot liquids and preservatives, so this step is non-negotiable. Okay, now that we're prepped, let's talk ingredients. Ingredient breakdown. I'm going to walk you through our formula. I'll point out the core must-have ingredients and then the glow-up goodies you can add as your business grows. All the percentages are in the description box. Part 1. The foundation, our water and oil phases. Distilled water and aloe vera juice. This is our hydration base. Water gives it that lotion-like feel, and aloe soothes and calms the skin. Always use distilled water to keep your product clean and stable. Glycerin. This is our humectant. Think of it like a magnet for moisture, pulling hydration into your skin for that plump, juicy look. Xanthan gum. A tiny bit of this natural thickener gives the butter body and makes sure it doesn't feel watery. We'll pre-mix it with our glycerin to avoid any clumps. Shea butter and safflower oil, the heart of our butter. Shea brings that rich, nourishing feel, while safflower oil is super light and packed with linoleic acid, making it perfect for all skin types. Emulsifying wax NF and stearic acid. These are the magic makers. The wax is what binds our water and oils together. It's the emulsifier in emulsified body butter. Stearic acid helps thicken and stabilize everything, giving it that perfect creamy texture. Part 2. The Pro Level Glow Up. Optional but amazing. This is how we take our butter from good to unforgettable. If you're on a super tight budget, you can start with the foundation and add these later. Dimethicone. This gives you that high-end silky glide you feel in boutique creams. It creates a breathable barrier that locks in moisture. For a natural swap, check out hemisqualane. Niacinamide, vitamin B3. An absolute superstar for strengthening the skin barrier, evening out skin tone, and calming inflammation. A must-have for a do-it-all product. Panthenol, Pro Vitamin B5. This is all about healing and hydration. It makes the skin feel incredibly soft and resilient. Centella asiatica and bilberry extracts. These are our antioxidant powerhouses. Centella, or cica, is famous for calming redness and healing, while bilberry helps protect the skin from environmental stress. Vitamin E. This is food for your formula. It's an antioxidant that keeps our beautiful oils from going rancid. Yuxyl PE9010 and sodium phytate. And finally, our preservation team. A preservative is not optional. Yuxyl protects your cream from bacteria, yeast, and mold. The sodium phytate is a chelator. Think of it as the preservative's bodyguard, making it even more effective. Before we continue, let me quickly remind you of our sponsor, Pure Actives Co., your one-stop shop for natural wellness, premium chemical ingredients, aromatherapy oils, and botanical extracts that empower individuals to take control of their health, beauty, and well-being. Shop today by visiting their website at pureactivesco.ca. Formulation instructions. Step 1. The water phase, phase A and B. In a sanitized beaker, combine your distilled water, aloe vera juice, and sodium phytate. In a small cup, mix your glycerin and xanthan gum into a smooth slurry. No clumps. Now, add that slurry to your water beaker and stir until you have a smooth gel. Step 2. The oil phase, phase C. In a separate heat-safe beaker, combine all your oils, butters, and waxes. Shea butter, safflower oil, stearic acid, emulsifying wax, and dimethicone. Step 3. Heat them up. Place both beakers in a shallow water bath on a hot plate. Gently heat both mixtures to 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting them to the same temperature is key for a stable emulsion, so use a thermometer. Step 4. The emulsion. Once both phases are at 75 degrees Celsius, slowly pour your hot oil phase into your hot water phase while mixing with a high shear stick blender. Keep the blender submerged to avoid introducing too much air. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see it transform into a beautiful, glossy cream. Step 5. The cool down, phase D. Let the cream cool, stirring gently every few minutes. Once it's below 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add our delicate cool down ingredients. Add your preservative, Yuxyl, niacinamide, panthenol, extracts, and vitamin E. Step 6. Balance and finish. Stir gently with a spatula until everything is fully incorporated. Now, check the pH. For skin health and preservative effectiveness, we're aiming for 5.0 to 5.5. Adjust with a drop of citric acid solution if needed. Final step, cover your beautiful cream and let it sit overnight. It will thicken and set to its final luxurious consistency. Give it one last gentle stir, and you are ready to package. Bestie, you did it! Look at that texture. This emulsified body butter is the definition of luxury skincare, and it's proof that you can create high-performance products on a budget. This is the kind of product that gets customers talking and coming back for more. If you love this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, every big business starts with one amazing batch because Bestie made it.